You will never buy again a hair cream or a hair gel after learning about flaxseed and the flaxseed gel and all the properties of flaxseed. If you are new here, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing so that you learn more about natural ingredients for hair and the skin that I always share on my channel. There is more a lot to share with you guys, things that are natural, 100% no chemical, that you can do it for yourself at home. So remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that I'll be sharing with you. I have so much to share with you. Flax seeds are plant-based superfood which are high in omega-3, high in protein and high in fiber. It's good to consume flaxseed because they have many other properties which can help you a lot. It helps you to burn fat, lowers cholesterol and lowers blood pressure. And when used topically on the hair, it's going to increase the elasticity of the hair fiber, prevent split ends, strengthen the hair from the root, stops premature graying, reduces hair thinning and keeps dandruff and itchy scalp at the bay. These are my flax seeds. I always keep them in a tight container like this. So I just went ahead and used a small cup to make the gel that I've been using for the entire week. I did make quite a lot of gel, which I didn't expect. So I used this cup and I got the seed like this. I went ahead and rinsed the dust from the seeds and then added 3 cups of water. Anyway, if you want to make really nice gel, just use quarter flaxseed gel, quarter cup, and add 2 cups of water. It's going to give you a really nice gel with very nice consistency. This is how I did, but I did get too much gel. I added some few cloves and a piece of cinnamon stick. They also have good properties. It's not necessary, but it is optional, but they are also some of the things that you can use for the hair. So after boiling for a few minutes, this is how it looks like. You don't need to boil so much, you just boil for a few minutes. It should be less than 10 minutes, okay? So I did strain before it got too cold. It was still hot. This is the first time I was straining. I have always been making this one, but I mean this is the first time for this day. I did make a lot on this day. So I went along and strained to get the gel, but it wasn't passing through the strainer because it was too thick. So I was trying to pour from the side. Then I just managed to get some gel, which was thick. So I went ahead and poured in a container like that, and this color I think it's because of the cloves, and the remaining gel was still thick, so I went ahead and added some more hot water and reboiled again. I meant the seeds, not the gel. So the more I finished making the gel, the more I felt that it was still having more gel. So I did this like for about 4 times. So this is the 3rd time. I was straining and reboiling again. So one thing I discovered is that you can actually add more water, and then after boiling the seeds will go down and you will remain with the gel on top. So you just remove the gel from the top even without straining. Say like this one here, the gel just came up, so I just poured the gel. I didn't use a strainer. Just like that, and then strain later the few seeds that came inside. Again I add more water.
So after all that process, this is the match that I found, and the remaining seed I packed it and kept it in the freezer for other day. The first one that I make was the thickest, that's the strongest consistency. And the other one are almost the same but not too thick like that one. So I put in these application bottles. So the ones that I've been using when applying. You can see how thick they are. So this is day one, and this is how my hair was looking like. It was a bit dry. You can see.
This is day one.
So I just went ahead and separated the hair separating them in the small sections, and then apply the gel and twist them out. So I just did like that entire head for that day one. And I was also putting on my face before I started the hair. I was putting on my face. It was not looking that good. And then now day two after washing, I did the same thing but a little bit bigger now. After washing my hair, when the hair is still damp, I put the gel on and keep again for the next day. Day 3, I did apply on my hair, slicked down my hair and went out like that without adding anything to the gel. And day 4 I added other oils. I added sweet almond oil, glycerin, and some shea butter and some tea tree oil. Then I put in my bottle and use it to make a ponytail. Just after washing my hair, still damp, just applied like that and made a ponytail. And then I always, when making a ponytail, always protect it by twisting out the ends. I don't keep the ends open. Day 5 and 6 I made like this, and I stayed like that for about 2 days. And this is day 7. My hair looks wow, and I wish my hair could stay like that all my life.
I did make a lot of gel and I still having a lot, so I'm going to mix this one. This is what I'm still having. There is more, not just this one, but this one I made like it had different qualities. This was from one of the best one, so I'm going to mix this one with my oils and I keep using it as a deep moisturizer. Just put on, apply on my hair and keep it for 24 hours, rinse it out. While I'm using this one, I'm not using shampoo. The first day I washed my hair, I shampooed my hair, and for the entire week I'm not using the shampoo again. You know, too much shampoo will dry your hair, so every day I put the gel. Then the next day I just wash out with the water, rinse thoroughly with water, and then apply again the gel. You need to do that again and again to make sure that your hair is really moisturized. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out everything that I will sharing with you, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out every video that I'm uploading every week. I'll be uploading every Sunday, so click that notification bell so that you don't miss out all that I'll be sharing with you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.